Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on December 11th and 12th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National App Day. National App Day is celebrated on December 11th. This day recognizes the importance and impact of apps, short for applications, in our daily lives. The term app has become synonymous primarily with software applications on smartphones and tablets, although it broadly encompasses any type of application software for devices. National App Day was first observed in 2017, and it acknowledges the progress and creativity in app development. The day celebrates the technology and developers behind apps, recognizing how they have transformed the way people live, work, and play. With the proliferation of mobile devices, apps have become essential tools for communication, entertainment, education, business, health, and more. The celebration of National App Day can involve various activities, including exploring new apps, appreciating favorite ones, or even learning about app development. It's a day to reflect on how far technology has come in a relatively short time and how it continues to evolve, shaping our interactions and experiences in the digital world. Noodle Ring Day. Noodle Ring Day is celebrated on December 11th. It's a somewhat whimsical holiday that honors a specific type of pasta dish known as a noodle ring. This dish is created by baking noodles, typically egg noodles, in a ring-shaped mold or bundt pan, often mixed with ingredients like cheese, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Once baked, it forms a ring-shaped structure, hence the name. The noodle ring can be served as a main dish or a side dish, and it's sometimes filled with other ingredients in the center of the ring for presentation and added flavor. The origins of Noodle Ring Day are a bit unclear, but it's one of those fun, quirky holidays that celebrates a specific food item. While not as widely recognized as other food-themed days, Noodle Ring Day gives people an opportunity to explore a unique and somewhat retro culinary creation. It's a day for food enthusiasts, home cooks, and anyone who enjoys a bit of culinary nostalgia to experiment with this classic recipe and perhaps put their own modern twist on it. International Mountain Day. International Mountain Day is observed annually on December 11th. This day was designated by the United Nations General Assembly in 2003, and it aims to encourage sustainable development in mountains. The observance of this day highlights the importance of mountains to life, the opportunities and constraints in mountain development, and the need to build alliances that will bring positive change to mountain peoples and environments around the world. Mountains are crucial to life. They provide fresh water, harbor rich biodiversity, are a source of food, and act as areas for recreation and spiritual renewal. About 15% of the world's population lives in mountains, and many others depend on mountains for resources such as water, minerals, forest products, and agricultural products. Each year, International Mountain Day has a specific theme related to mountain development or conservation. This day is an opportunity to create awareness about the importance of mountains to life, to highlight the opportunities and constraints in mountain development, and to build partnerships that will bring positive change to the world's mountains and highlands. The day is marked by various events globally, such as seminars, symposiums, and campaigns focused on issues like climate change impacts on mountain regions, mountain biodiversity, and the cultural richness of mountain communities. It is a day for all mountain lovers to come together and celebrate the rich biodiversity, as well as the cultural mosaic that mountain regions offer. Gingerbread House Day. Gingerbread House Day is celebrated annually on December 12th. This day is dedicated to the centuries-old tradition of making and decorating gingerbread houses, a festive activity particularly popular during the Christmas season. Gingerbread, a sweet treat made with ginger, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and other ingredients, has been enjoyed for centuries, with its origins tracing back to Europe. The tradition of making gingerbread houses started in Germany during the 16th century. It became particularly popular after the publication of the Brothers Grimm's fairy tale Hansel and Gretel, where the two main characters come across a house made entirely of treats deep in the forest. On Gingerbread House Day, people of all ages engage in the creative process of building and decorating gingerbread houses with a variety of candies, icing, and other edible decorations. It's a festive activity that sparks creativity and brings people together for holiday fun. Schools, community groups, and families often hold gingerbread house making events, competitions, or displays, making it a widely enjoyed tradition during the holiday season. This day is not just about creating a delightful dessert, it's also about celebrating traditions, spending time with loved ones, and enjoying the spirit of the holiday season. Green Monday. Green Monday is an annual event, typically occurring on the second Monday of December. It's a significant day for online retail, similar to Cyber Monday, and is considered one of the biggest online shopping days before the Christmas holiday season. The term Green Monday was coined by eBay in 2007 to describe one of their busiest shopping days, and the name has since been adopted by other retailers and shoppers. The green in Green Monday doesn't necessarily refer to environmental concerns, but rather to the revenue generated by sales on this day. It's seen as a last push for holiday shopping, as it's one of the final days that shoppers can order gifts online in time for them to arrive before Christmas. On Green Monday, many online retailers offer significant discounts and promotions, similar to those seen on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Consumers look for deals on a variety of products, from electronics and clothing to toys and household items. It's a popular day for bargain hunters and those looking to complete their holiday shopping in time for the festive season. Over the years, Green Monday has grown in popularity and is now recognized as an important day in the retail calendar, with many consumers and retailers marking the day as a key opportunity for holiday sales. National Poinsettia Day. National Poinsettia Day is observed in the United States on December 12 each year. This day is set aside to honor the poinsettia plant and its role in the holiday season. The poinsettia, with its bright red and green foliage, is widely used in Christmas floral displays and is one of the most popular holiday plants. The day commemorates the death of Joel Roberts Poinsett, an American botanist and the first United States minister to Mexico, who died on December 12, 1851. Poinsett introduced the poinsettia plant to the United States from Mexico. The plant, known as Quetzalcoatl in Mexico, was renamed in his honor. Poinsettias are native to Mexico and Central America, where they were used by the Aztecs for decorative and medicinal purposes. The plant's association with Christmas began in 16th century Mexico, where legend tells of a young girl who, unable to provide a gift for the celebration of Jesus' birthday, was inspired by an angel to gather weeds from the roadside and place them in front of the church altar. Miraculously, the weeds turned into beautiful red and green flowers. National Poinsettia Day celebrates this iconic holiday plant and its history. Nurseries, garden centers, and florists often hold special events or promotions on this day, and it is also a popular day for educational programs about poinsettia care and cultivation. The day serves as a reminder of the plant's rich history and its significance in holiday traditions. National Ambrosia Day. National Ambrosia Day is celebrated on December 12 in the United States. This day is dedicated to enjoying ambrosia, a traditional American dessert that has been popular for many years, particularly in the South. Ambrosia is known for its light and fruity flavor, making it a favorite at many gatherings, especially during the holiday season. The classic ambrosia salad typically includes ingredients such as orange segments or mandarin oranges, coconut, pineapple, and sometimes miniature marshmallows. The ingredients are often mixed with whipped cream or sour cream, creating a sweet and creamy dish. Some variations of the recipe also include other fruits like bananas, strawberries, or cherries, and nuts like pecans or walnuts for added texture. The origins of ambrosia salad are somewhat unclear, but it likely dates back to the late 19th or early 20th century. Its name, ambrosia, comes from Greek mythology, where it was considered the food of the gods, symbolizing immortality. On National Ambrosia Day, people are encouraged to make and enjoy this delightful dessert. It's often served at holiday dinners, potlucks, and festive gatherings. The day celebrates not just the dish itself, but also the traditions of communal dining and sharing that are central to many holiday celebrations. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.